NCERT textbook class 10 exercise 3.3 and the lesson is
pair of linear equations into variable.
Yeah, in that third problem, first one, form the pair of linear equation for the following problem and find their solution by substitution method. In this they are saying you have to find two equation and their solution. Solution is x and y, what you are going to find. Okay, here they have given a situation. On this basis of the situation you have to write two equation and proceed in which method?
Substitution method.
Right. I'm going to read this. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. First equation you are going to form from this sentence and another equation using this sentence. Okay.
Yeah.
The difference between two numbers is 26 means if you subtract two numbers you will get 26. So I am going to take the first number as x and another as
y.
Let us start.
Yeah.
Solution. You have to begin with, let the first number be x. Let the first number be
X.
Yeah. Be x and another number and the second number
Y.
good. And the second number be y. So the difference between two numbers is 26. The two numbers are x, difference is minus, another number is y. The difference between two numbers is 26. So this is the equation. What we got?
We got first equation.
Right. So think once. If you subtract x from y, x will be obviously bigger number. Okay.
Yeah.
So we got first equation. Next sentence is one number is 3 times the other. What they are saying is, if this is one first number and this is second number, equation means equal. They are saying this number is 3 times more than this number.
Yeah.
This already include 3 times
bigger.
Yeah. Then if you want to make this equal, what you have to do?
We should multiply it with 3.
You have to just make 3 times more. So 3y.
Yeah.
You got?
Yeah.
Children usually make mistake here. You understood?
Yeah.
How 3 came here?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Then once you get the value of x is this. Even the second statement, second equation is also this.
Yeah.
You got x value here.
Yeah.
What you going to write? Put the value of x in the equation 1. Put the value of x
in the equation 1.
in equation 1. You are going to write down the equation first, x minus y equal to 26, and you are going to replace the value of x in the place of x. What you are going to say? What you are going to write? 3y. In the place of x, 3y minus y equals to 26. 3y minus y is
2y.
Good. 26. Y equals to 26. If 2 crosses the border, it will become divide. So 2 1s are
2 8.
2 3s are 2 3s are 6.
Yeah.
Y equals to 13. What you got?
We got y.
What is left?
We should find x.
Now you have to put the value of y in equation
2.
here every time I will say you can take any equation, either 1 or 2. We have taken second one. So you have to write down second equation.
Yeah.
Second equation is x equals to 3y.
Mm.
X equals to 3 of
13.
the place of y
13.
13. X equals to 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are
9.
and the x value is
39.
let me check. Every time I'll be saying you can take either first equation or second equation. Let us check.
Yeah.
Let us put for first equation and see.
Yeah.
I'm going to write here itself. Put the value of
Y
y
in equation 1.
in equation 1. Good. In equation 1. This is extra.
Yeah.
Just to check it. X minus y equals to 26. This is equation 1. You are going to replace the y value here. Minus in the
13.
place of y 13 equals to 26. X equals to 26. If 13 crosses the border, then
Plus
sign will change. Plus 13. X equals to
39.
very good. You did like this. 6 plus 3 9.
9.
2 plus 1
3.
what we got.
39.
So according to this you can
Solve in two equations.
two equation. 1 and equation 2.
Yeah.
So finally we got x and y.
Yeah.
You have to write the final answer. For statement problem you have to write statement at last, because your in board exam half marks is given to the
statement.
last
Solution.
solution, right? So don't forget it, okay?
Yeah.